Party people, can you get funky?
Students will be able to explain and do transformations on basic two-dimensional shapes by means of translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. Before we start solving transformation problems, I believe it is useful to answer the question, how is this concept of transformations useful in real life? A rigid body is an object that does not change shape when acted upon. For example, this model car is a rigid body because when it is moved or pushed or turned, it does not change shape. It is a rigid body. In the case of a rigid body, the center of mass is the point where the object's weight is balanced. So, if I hold this car on my fingers, its weight will balance itself around a single point. We call that point the center of mass. The center of mass can be located anywhere within a rigid body. The center of a shape and its center of mass can be in two different places. So, let's look at this rigid body or model car and figure out how to anticipate which transformation will take place with respect to a car crash. If a strong enough force acts upon this car to the left or right of its center of mass, it will rotate about its center of mass point. Remember that rotations move around a single point. If a strong enough force acts upon this car below or above its center of mass, it will flip. If a strong enough force acts directly upon the car's center of mass, the car will translate or slide. In general, when there is a car accident, some combination of translation, rotation, and flipping takes place. In fact, this is true for all rigid bodies and non-rigid bodies. So, the understanding of transformations is very useful. Good evening, my name is Eric Fuller. I am so excited that you are here with Innovation EDU. Today I want to talk about transformations. Transformations means to move A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In fact, we can either slide, rotate, or flip. This is essential to become engineers and innovators of this future, because when an item slides, it moves along the plane. When an item rotates, it moves about a point. And when an item flips, it moves about a line. So thank you today. That is transformations. If you have any questions, look at the frequently asked questions to the right. Click and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.